During a recent visit, the India Energy Storage Alliance team met the women workforce at the battery manufacturing facility of TVS Indeon. 80% of the workforce in this battery manufacturing facility are women. Today, they are contributing to lithium-ion battery manufacturing for electric mobility and energy storage. They operate across 3 production shifts: Sudharshan, Chakra, and Agni. A powerful example of women leading the shop floor. During our interactions, we heard stories of training, skill development, and the confidence that comes with building a career in the clean energy sector. Working here has given me the opportunity to closely connect with women employees, understand their health needs, and support them in a more personal and continuous way compared to a hospital setup. We are bringing in women from rural backgrounds, guiding them towards financial independence, and supporting them through structured shift systems in a simple and inclusive work environment. Women on the shop floor are highly dedicated and driven. Their contribution is key to our productivity, and their determination truly powers the success of our operations. I joined here through my college, and in these few months of training, I have learned a lot about real-time operations and new technologies. I am currently working on the shop floor, understanding processes step by step, and gaining hands-on experience in the production and assembly work. This company focuses strongly on safety, and it feels like a secure place for women to learn, grow, and become more confident and independent. The company also maintains strong support systems, staying connected with families, ensuring health assistance, and creating a safe working environment.